We in the USA. Welcome, guys. We're now in our hotel room. Forgot to show you guys the closet space. Let's see what American TV. I'm very disappointed by the view. We in the USA. Welcome, guys. Welcome to this vlog. We just passed passport control, the easiest ever. Like, all they asked, where you going, how long you here for, and that's it. That's it. So now we're getting our bags. See, this is nice, passport control, then the bags are just here. But yeah, baby, come. So we are now just gonna wait for our bags, and then we're going to the hotel. And we are in New York. Our bags are here. Yeah, mine is there as well. We're now in our hotel room. We're going to be staying for one night. Then tomorrow we're flying to Texas. So I just want to show you guys the hotel. We at Hampton Inn. Hampton by Hilton. Close to the airport. Well, at the JFK Airport. Because we don't want to go to the city and then have to travel back again tomorrow. Because we're flying out to Texas and then we'll be back again in New York. Why are you laughing, babe?
Huh?
Why are you laughing?
You even don't know where we go. I won't make everything.
I know.
You just follow me. I don't want to go to the city, blah, blah, blah.
Babe, I know where we are. You told me. Anyways, so let me show you guys the room.
I could just wait. Wait for better days to come and carry us like wind in our sails. Hold on tight. I can smell the shore, it's right in front of us if we just hold on tight. This vision that I saw is getting closer every dawn. We are dreamers of the shore.
So they give you coffee, obviously, in the room. Coffee people are lucky. There's a mini bar fridge here. Let's see the mini bar fridge. The mini bar fridge here, but there is nothing inside, but obviously it's cool to have storage. Then on this side they have like a rack where you can store. This reminds me of your fruits and vegetable rack, honestly. But I guess you can store, like, if you're staying longer, your clothes, underwear, socks, whatever you want. So this is the room, guys. Forgot to show you guys the closet space. This is quite nice. See, already I tucked our bags inside. I've already hung my jacket. There's an ironing board, which is perfect. An iron, and then that's more stuff. This is more storage. Let's test out the bed. It's hard, but it's bigger. Oh. Oh, it's hot. Ah, baby, look at this. One blanket. Like normal places, but two beds put together.
7 years now on this boat, and we all know where we belong. Just wait. Wait for our home to show on the horizon. Soon we'll be there. Hold on tight. I can smell the shore, it's right in front of us if we just hold.
Guys, let's talk about the ease of entering the USA. Well, maybe I know that experiences are different, But for us, we were also like, okay, my first time, I wasn't expecting anything hectic, but I was also not expecting it to be just a breeze because of, you know, how people are always like, oh, you get there and they ask you so many questions and this and that and this and that. It wasn't like that for us. Like, we just got to the window. The lady literally just asked, how long are you in the USA for? We said until the 22nd. Are you just staying in New York? We said no, tomorrow we're flying to Texas. Okay, where are you staying? Oh, we'll stay at a hotel by the airport and then we come. He's like, oh, okay, cool, gone. And then Babe had to do his fingerprints because he does an ESTA online, so they don't take fingerprints online. But for us, it was literally just 5 seconds and we were done. We were within, guys. It's not that bad. People just scare us for nothing because it's really not that bad. But yeah.
Hold on tight. This vision that I saw is getting closer every dawn. Ooh. We are dreamers of the shore.
Let's see what American TV has. I'm disappointed that it's not a smart TV. So it's like normal TV. Oh my word, the famous HBO. Let's see what HBO has. Ah, what did I do? I'm actually watching TLC in the USA. I'm watching it in the USA. I decided to watch TLC. So I just ordered some food. Is this the lift? Because yeah, Babe is out. He's tired. So I was like, it's fine, we don't have to go out. We're coming back anyways to New York. So today you can just sleep. And then now I'm going to collect the food from the lobby. The guys here, so it's from, I'll share the name. You'll see the name when I bring it. But yeah, guys, first American food. And I bought from like an American place. I didn't want to get from the usual places that we know from, like I've had from other places. But something that is typical. Well, I hope it's typical American, I don't know. And I ordered a Dr. Pepper's. I don't know what this place, well, there's no name. Wingstop. There we go. That's the name of the place, Wingstop. Okay, so guys, I realized when I was saying what I ordered that I need to check the order. This is why I always check the order in front or at the counter. So the chips, here's chips, baby. And then the wings are here, but there's no drinks. So our drinks are missing. I'm really not happy with this. I'm not at all. America's not impressing me. Guys, I'm very disappointed by the meal. The wings are there, the flavor. They're not even wings. I think these are chicken tenders. And they say boneless wings. The chips are okay, just that they came cold. The sauce is very nice. What else? Oh, our drinks did not come, and I did the Uber thing. And they said, what did they say again? They gave $5 credit. $5 credit. Like, I want my drinks. I don't want credit. What am I going to drink now? Water? Ew. I'm joking. I'm going to drink some water, which is good. But I was looking forward to trying the Dr. Pepper finally in the USA. But anyways, we've got time. Yeah, I know. So yeah.